Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see this demo, transfer files from AWS S3 to Google Cloud Platform Cloud Storage via console. In this demo, we are going to create user in AWS IAM, and next we are going to create S3 bucket in AWS, and next we are going to upload file in S3 bucket. Next we are going to create transfer job under data transfer in GCP. We are going to view the files in GCP, and finally we are going to delete the buckets and files in AWS and Google Cloud Platform. Okay, let's start the demo. Okay, so first I'm going to this is the GCP console and this is the AWS console. So I have opened this AWS console. Now we need to go to that identity access management first. So just select the services, and here we need to find this IAM, identity access management. Just enter this IAM, just select this IAM. Now we are going to create a users. Now we are going to create users. Just click users and select add users, and here we need to give the user name. I am giving the username is AWS 588, and here access key I'm selecting this programmatic access, and here I'm selecting this attach existing policies, and filter policies I'm giving the S3, and we need to select this Amazon S3 full access. Next, click next tags, and here we can update the tag name and value. It's optional only, just I'm updating here AWS GCP, whatever name you can update it. Just click next and create users. Now you can see this access key id and access secret access key. Just copy this access key id and put it in your notepad. I'm pasting it here, and I'm copying now the secret access key. Just copy this both access key id and secret access key carefully, friends. So just copy paste. I'm copy pasting here, and next we need to go to the services, and here we need to click go to that S3 simple storage services, and now we just select this S3, and we are going to create a bucket. Now just click create bucket, and here the bucket name, bucket name should be unique and must not contain spaces or uppercase letters. So we need to give the bucket name. I'm giving the bucket name. We should not use the uppercase, I think so. Okay, so I'm giving the name, and block public access I'm unchecking this, and here I'm acknowledging this, and next I'm clicking this create bucket, but I'm getting some error because it's not the name is already exist. I'm replacing with some other name, bucket name. So just click create bucket. So successfully we have created the bucket in AWS, and we are going to upload our files in AWS S3 bucket. Just click upload here and add files. Just whatever you want, you can upload the image. I am uploading one image here. Just click upload, and I have uploaded successfully one image. I have uploaded successfully. Just I'm going to close it now. Okay, now I'm trying to open this image in new browser. I'm copying this URL and opening web new browser, but it is showing some error, access denied error. So we need to rectify. Just click this Amazon S3, just click this bucket here, and this the properties. You can see here we need to edit something. Okay, permissions, go to the permissions, and here we need to edit the bucket policy. Just click edit bucket policy, and here we need to update this JSON format. Just click the policy generator, and here we need to select the type of this S3 bucket policy, and here just put star, and here we need to select the accents. We need to put the action, we need to select the action as get object. So I'm going to find that get object. Just give me a second, I am checking it. Get object, we need to check this get object, and next is ARN number, Amazon resource name, and I'm copying from here bucket ARN name and put it here, Amazon resource name. After that just put slash, after that star, slash star. Okay, then click add statement, and resource it came here, and click generate policy. We need to copy this JSON document, JSON format, copy the text, load the text editor, and close this and put it here. So we need to replace this bucket policy, and next is we need to click save changes. Now I'm going to access the bucket. Now you can see friends, publicly accessibility it came, access is public under the permissions overview. So still it is showing this error. I have refreshed it also, but still it is showing error. Okay, now I'm going to open actually again I'm going to copy the URL from that S3. Just click the bucket here, just click this image, and here just copy this URL again and open in a new tab, and definitely it will come friends. It's coming here. Okay, great. So I'm closing the existing one. So we have successfully uploaded the file in S3 bucket. Now next first part we have done it. Then we need to go to that GCP console, Google Cloud Platform console, and here go to the data transfer. Just click data transfer here, and we need to create a transfer job. Just click create transfer job, and here just select the source type, and here we need to put this bucket name, this AWS bucket name. So just copy the AWS bucket name, and here update the bucket name, and here update the access key ID. We have copied already access key ID from AWS account, right? Then secret access key. So just copy paste this access key ID and secret access key. We need to put carefully or else it will not go. Okay, next step, and here we need to create a bucket. Actually it is in GCP. Okay, I'm creating new bucket. So whatever name, it's a unique name we need to give it. So I'm giving the globally unique name I'm giving. So then click continue, create. That's it. We have successfully created the bucket in GCP. This is the destination bucket. Just select the destination bucket, select. So click next step, and click next step. Okay, we need to put the description for our transfer job. So I'm giving us the name as AWS file to GCP. So then next step, click next step and run once, or as per your requirement you can select. I'm selecting run once and starting now. Just click create. So we have successfully created the transfer job actually. So transfer job has been created successfully, but it is still in progress only friends. It has been successfully created, but still it is in progress. It will take less than 1 minute only. Just click this job description, then description we need to select this description. Just click it. It is 0 files only transfer. So still it is in progress only. So still it is in progress. You can see under the run history. Now you can, if you want, you can cancel, or if you want pause this run, you can do that. Meanwhile you can do that, but it has been completed. 21 seconds only it took. So 100% progress completed, and status is showing success. Now next step is you can go to that cloud storage and you can view the file. Okay, so whatever we have uploaded in AWS S3 bucket, it will be reflecting in cloud storage under the Google Cloud Platform. Okay, so we are going to open this bucket which we have just now we have created. Okay, just select it, and if you can open the file, okay, which we uploaded in AWS, it will be reflecting in GCP. So I'm going to click this authenticated URL. So before that you can see friends, now it's showing here. If you want, you can open it also. Here also it is showing in web browser. We have successfully done this demo friends. Now we need to delete each and everything. We need to delete each and everything. I'm sorry friends, some sound is coming from my lab. I'm sorry for that noise. Okay, so now we need to delete. First we need to delete in AWS. We are going to delete the AWS. I'm going to the AWS console. So just select this object. Just delete this object first. Just type permanently delete. Just type permanently delete in the text input field. To confirm the deletion, just click delete objects. So we have successfully deleted the objects. Next we need to delete the bucket. So just select this Amazon S3 and select this bucket here and click delete. So we need to put this bucket name in the text input field. Just put this and click delete bucket. So we have successfully deleted the bucket also. Then we need to delete the users under the identity access management in AWS. So just go to that IAM, and we need to delete that users. Just click users, and here just select this username and click delete. That's it. So just put the username, enter the username here to confirm the deletion. Just click delete. So we have successfully deleted the users also. Now go to the GCP console and go to that cloud storage. So directly you can delete the bucket here. So just select the bucket name and just click delete and type delete. That's it. So we have successfully deleted the bucket also in GCP. Next we need to delete the transfer job in under the data transfer in GCP. So go to the data transfer and just delete the data transfer. So here just delete. Okay, just copy this id and put it here and just delete. That's it, friends. We have successfully deleted the transfer services also. So we have done the demo, friends. Thank you so much, friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud Platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.